The thing with RPA as a career is that there's so many to choose from, and you don't know what would be expected from you, what kind of certification you should be getting, and in all, what kind of responsibility you will be getting yourself into. Now, UiPath has a great variety of certifications to choose from, and it will help you choose what kind of responsibility you want to acquire in a specific role, as well as the certification that goes with it. Now, let's learn together what are the different certifications and what will you be acquiring for those specific certifications, and what will be your role, as well as what you will be doing in that specific task. So the first one is automation developer. The automation developer is where all the magic will be happening. And by magic, I mean taking the functional aspect of what our client is needing to automate and then making a robot that will answer that specific need. Some requirements might not be just a simple robot. Maybe it will be more of a complex robot where we'll be having some, for instance, document understanding or implementing some artificial intelligence within our automation. But to keep it simple, you'll be developing all the processes that they want to automate, and the end result for you is to provide a robot that will match the client's needs as well as the output that they want to be automating. Furthermore, the responsibility of a developer is not just to ensure the development aspect of a process to automate, it's also to maintain it. Once it's in production, or the target environment at least, you will be asked to make sure that the robot will function in the same way that we have initially developed it. So if there's any bugs, any change in different environments, or even a change request from the client, you will be the one making those changes or those corrections for our specific solution. The other certification is going to be business analyst. So business analyst is more for somebody who is more of a strategic kind of person, which will require him to both understand the functional aspect of our current solution as well as the technical side. In the technical side, we will be asked to know the different limits as well as the different capacities that we can actually offer for each and every solution. We will also be asked to understand what is the client's needs. This mainly be focused on the process itself, how to translate every step of that specific process into a technical aspect for the developers to create the process itself. You will be also the one writing and creating all of the documentation for our process. So the PDD and the SDD will be either done by the developer or by yourself once the solution has been created. So for those who are more interested in the solution aspect of the solution, basically, it's going to be the solution architect. This role will be the role where we will actually be choosing what is the proper architecture for a specific need for the solution to match what the client is requested, as well as choosing how we will be developing this particular robot or this particular process, and then selecting which one would fit best, both for the environment as well as speed and maintenance. They will be creating the whole aspect of what the process should look like. Now, a very important role is the test automation engineer. So the test automation engineer role is to make sure whether the robot or the solution that we will be testing matches our specific needs and requirements. This means to make sure that the solution or the robot, again, matches what we actually asked of it. So if it's always the same input depending on the different data, as well as ensuring the right way of doing the different steps, or making sure that some steps have been done in a specific way or in a specific way where it should not be working as well. And that's making sure that the quality aspect of our solution matches exactly what we specified it in the initial states of the development. Thus making the PDD or the test case, for instance, match what the output should be. Now keep in mind that some need to be false, because we need to make sure that the proper way this should be working is only following some exact steps. Another interesting role is the process developer certification. This will teach you how to improve as well as to discover what are the processes that we want to automate. So you will be the one working directly with the functional team in order to discover and to extract what are the different needs for every specific process, as well as looking for improvements. Basically, this is going to be a discovery phase for us, but in automation side. We have the infrastructure engineer as well. This is going to be a role crucial for setting and maintaining systems that support the RPA. Basically, you will be preparing the environment for us to develop our processes, as well as making sure that everything we need will be available. Keep in mind that some other roles will be acquired through experience. So basically, like kind of a tech lead as well as project manager, these roles will be only available to you once you actually grow within a company, or you will have sufficient experience in management or in the technology that you're currently working with. This will give you a lot of opportunities for your career, and you will be choosing what you want to do, basically. So all of this information is available on the UiPath Academy platform. You will find the different trainings to get you all the way through the certifications, as well as some training, and this will help you reach your full potential as the role that you're currently looking for. And if you have any kind of questions, please feel free to ask them in the comment section, and I will answer them the best way I can. Thank you for watching this video, and I will make specific videos for each role as we go along. See ya.